UGWUMBA.
Why am I saying this? It is the right, the Israel of Nigeria are the Igbos. Everywhere, listen to me. Hold on. Let me tell you why I'm saying that. You don't need to join cult as an Igbo man to prosper. It's already your right. Wait, you're not getting me. Let me explain to you. You are not understanding me. When you understand spiritual things, it is their right. I've been around the world. I've been to nations, places like Belarus, places like Suleman Island, some places that are very extreme, places like Azerbaijan. You go to such places, you must see an Igbo man. Somebody will come and pick me from the airport in a place like Belarus, Solomon Temple. I will say, what is your name? My name is Chido. What's your name? My name is this one. My name is that one. He come with the wife. The wife brings meal. Madam, what's your name? My name is Chinyere. I say, are you people rich in this place? It is their right. Something that God has given you as your right. Why will you now add the devil on top of what you are supposed to get naturally? Any man that joins a cult is not wise. Because by your right, prosperity is already yours. Why will you now add the devil to it? I wish I was talking to somebody. Why not add God into the scheme of work, into the prosperity that He has given you? You know, many of you are born again, you don't have car, you don't know the enjoyment you are having. That man that you see that have fleets of business, that is an occultic man. If you know what he's doing to keep himself in that cult. I don't understand how a young boy will go and join cult. Young boy at your age, they carry you tie red cloth on your waist, tie red on your head, and at night 28 years old, you are doing things that is meant for old men. At the age of 28, and they rub white chalk around your eye like that, and you are going like that. When people are sleeping, a 30-year-old boy, you are doing following your father's and your grandfather's age mates, carrying pot. You can get money. What is money? Money is a little piece of paper with dead men's picture. Those in that your currency, are they still alive? Is Nnamdi Azikiwe alive? Is Tafa Balewa alive? They are not alive. Are you following me? It is the nature. I've told this around the world. And I say this. Sometimes people ask me. I said something one time. Let me correct it. Or let me emphasize it. Because many people, they don't hear. They don't have sense. I said something and they cut a part of the video that I hate Igbos. It's not my problem if people don't have sense. I said, and I'm repeating it. I said, the problem of the Igbo are Igbos. That's what I said. I said only a shameless Igbo will be fighting an Igbo man like him. They cut that. If you follow social media, you'll be deceived. They cut that part. I said Igbos are shameless. Listen, 50% of the members of my church in the headquarters are Igbos. Igbos. I am not following in Nigeria from the east. So why will I? But I'm saying I'm the first person in Nigeria that said releasing Nnamdi Kanu. I'm the first. It's on the internet. I said if the government has said release a man, if the law rather has said release a man, the government is not bigger than the law. I said release him. I didn't even know his name fully. Number two, which is important. Don't forget I said three things. Number one, I say have a relationship with God. Number two, which is important, mind the company you keep. Mind the company you keep. There are some people that are in the same line of business with you. You are only business partners. You are not friends. Anyone that is not going where you are going in life is not your friend. Anyone that does not serve your God is not your friend. Anyone that calls you say today is weekend, today is Friday, let's go to club, is not your friend. You cannot walk from morning till evening. Evening when you should be resting, you carry yourself and you are shaking your body again in the club. You don't get sense. Well, let me say this to you. There are people that once they enter your life, it's bad things that be happening. There are some people that attract God into your life. In Genesis 26:24, God said to Isaac, I will bless you because of Abraham, your father's sake. In Proverbs 13:20, he said, he that walketh with the wise shall be wise, but a companion of fools shall be destroyed. A companion of a fool shall be destroyed. Proverbs 28:19, he that tilleth his ground shall have plenty of silver, but he that followeth after vain persons shall have poverty enough. Mind the company you keep. Mind the people as a man that you keep. How can you have a friend, he always buy you free drink but does not give you free money? Yeah, come. Take anything here. Take anything here. I declare, you can take at least 5 azu. Take that, drink. Give me money. No, they can't give you money. That's not a friend. That is a gutter partner. A partner that wants you to end up falling in the gutter. Cut off. Anybody that is not adding to your life is taking from your life. Cut off from friends that will tell you to steal your gas money to give your girlfriend. Cut off. When you are serving a man as an apprentice and you steal from him, no problem. You will open your own business. The Almighty God will position like 15 thieves who will come like apprentice. They will so steal from you, they will steal your money, steal your handset and your charger. They will empty you so that you will understand that whatever a man soweth, it's a time. Who is your friend? If you must stand blameless before God, who is your friend? Let me ask somebody, who is your friend? Who is your friend? Who is that person you want to get married, young man? Who is that girl you want to marry? A girl that knows that everything in your shop is 2 million, and she give you bill of 1.9. That is not a wife material. That is a fire extinguisher. She want to quench your shop. You are a young lady. Who do you want to marry? Today you are out for the man who has money, and there's a young man who loves you genuinely, but you are following that one that has money. I tell them in our church, I say follow a man with vision, not a man with television. I tell them in our church, I say when you leave a man with vision and follow a man with television, tomorrow you will watch the man with vision in your husband's television. Can I repeat that? When you leave a man with vision and follow a man with television, tomorrow you will watch the man with vision in your husband's television.